Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel for the morning session. Before we dive in, everything we discuss here is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do your own research or consult a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now let's starting off with the commodities market updates. The overnight soybean oil December month dropped 0.33 to close lower at 39.30. Darling active farmer contracts dropped 6 points to close lower at 7816 on previous night sessions. While Malaysia's compound futures rose on Wednesday, buoyed by the bargain hunting after the 3 consecutive days of decline, according to a palm oil analyst. The increase was also supported by the stronger ringgit and some profit taking ahead of the USDA data. The FCPO November month rose 16 points to close higher at 3901. The pump price on yesterday's sessions was resisted at 3950 to 55 range, and after the price resisted here, there's another sideways consolidations, more smaller consolidations range spotted, and the price is hovering at the bottom of the range and also the below the middle of the range. Hence, we will see sell on rebound. Could be the demand plans, but just beware of any sentiment change. So for the crucial support range, we remain to see at 3855 to 3860. So if this range is not able to hold, then we might see further selling, the likely to trigger further selling. However, if this range could support it, then we might see the sideways consolidations will continue. So for the immediate resistance, we see at 3880 to 3885. So here's also the potential selling range. Yeah, so for our morning sessions, our CPO recommendations will be short positions may be open below at 3870 with the target to set at 3856 to 3838 and the stop loss at 3890. Alternatively, long positions may be open above 3870 with the target at 3884 to 3902 and a stop loss to set at 3850. Yeah. So just this is a recommendation. Stop loss, if you have a smaller risk appetite, you might set your stop loss more tighten. Yes. Next, we are shifting our focus to the index market. Okay. The Dow Jones at the overnight session rose about 124 points to 40861. All three major US indexes ended the day higher on Wednesday. Gain in the technology sector helped counteract investor disappointment from an early morning inflation report, which dampened expectation for a 50 basic point interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve next week. Over in Malaysia, the benchmark FKLI fell on Wednesday, reflecting a similar trend seen among its regional counterpart. Investors were cautious in anticipation of upcoming US inflation data and the highly anticipated US presidential debates. The FKI contract September month dropped 12 points to close lower at 1631. The index opened higher on this morning session, tracking the rebound in US overnight markets and the current regional markets performance, positive performance. In the daily chart, the index seems to remain intact on the upside as is supported above the moving average of 50 days, while in the hourly charts, the sideways consolidation is spotted with the price trading above the middle of the sideways consolidations. So for 1634 and 1635 serve as the immediate support range. If this point able to hold, then we might see a further upside. For the first one, we could see at around 1637 to 38, which is the need to at least sustain above this moving average. Then we might see further highs. The next one will be around 41 to 42. Yeah. So if the price fail to sustain here, then it could be a sell down. But with the support range, we see at around 26 to 27 here. Yeah. So at the moment, we might see the range bound trading first. Okay, so here's our view for the morning sessions. And as we wrap up at the analysis, keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change and protect your capital and trade wisely. Wishing you all safe and successful trading, and see you in the next update, and happy trading.